you are thinking about how do I store data in Python like this, don't worry. Let me start first. Variable. A variable is used to store data in a program. Like a variable is a container to store data in Python language in other language. Okay, like this. Just a container to store names and other cheeses. Okay, other things. Let us practical. Okay, just 1 minute. Open Jupyter. Mm, just one. Okay, open new file. Change name. Okay, and variable like a container to store data like this. X is a variable to store 55 45. Okay, and print X. Okay, so print X and just run, and this print 45 because X is stored in 45. Okay, so answer is 45. Okay, and let's next chapter. Types. Data types tell Python what kind of data is variable in hold. Data is like next data types. Data types tell Python what kind of data are variable in hold. Okay, like integers, numbers, alphabets, and others to tell data types. Okay, and this is types. First numerical. This is three types: dictionaries, boolean, set, and SQL type. SQL types is three type. Okay, and first numerical type. Numerical type is numerical type. Numerical type is three types. First in means integer, float, and complex. Integer is hold to whole numbers like 100, -5, etc. And float hold to decimal numbers like this. Okay, and complex this is hold to real numbers and imaginary parts. It's like a algebra numbers, okay, and scientific numbers. And let us practical. Okay, koi and x hold to 45. Okay, and y can hold 5.6. Okay, and z like hold scientific numbers. We will print. Sorry, sorry. X and just copy. I want to print these three numbers and find the types. Okay, and use types keyword and run. Okay. Just a yes. So x is 45, y is 5.6, and z is this. Okay. And this is the data types like x data types int, y data is float, and z data is complex. Okay. And this is the way to hold data types. Okay. Uh, Next, Boolean. Okay. So Boolean keyword is bool. Okay. Represent true and false values. Is it hold true and false values? Okay, like this. Next, uh, just one. Two. Okay, is student hold the true value? Okay, I will print student and print start types. So I will use type keyword. Okay, and name variable name is student student and yes, perfect, and run. Okay, and this it is contain the true value and types bool. Okay, and third, and mapping type. Okay, and mapping type like a dictionary. Mapping type like a dictionary, it's contain the stored the data in pairwise. Okay, just practical I will understand. uh, Student contain name, sorry, just name. Okay, name Vishal, and contain id one. Like this, student contain the name, ids, and roll number, and I can print. And just one minute. कोई print student. Okay, student check. hmm. Hmm. It's our mistake. Okay, hmm. It's contain the pairwise. Okay, next, set type. Just set type. Okay, Set type is unordered collection of the unique item. uh, it's not be contain duplicate items like these items. It's not contain the duplicate items. Okay, just 1 minute. 1 comma 2. And you can say, you can see this is a duplicate items. Yes, I will just print items, but it not contain duplicate items. Okay, and I will check data types. So use type keyword, type functions, items, and check it and run. Yes, this is contain only unique and original numbers like this, not a duplicate numbers. Okay, and data types is set. And next, sequence type, a sequential type. Okay, it's three types: strings, list, and tuple. String contain the text data. It just text data like name, hello, and other characters. Okay, collection of characters. It contain the strings like this. Okay, like name, Shah. Okay, it's contain the my name. Okay, and print my name, check type, name, and run. Okay, and just yes. Hmm. Yes, name contain and data is string. Okay, str is a keyword. And list, is contain the order list. Sorry, ordered list. It contains unordered, and it's contain the order list, like duplicate items. Okay, just 1 minute. Use and print, and this side is changed. Okay, I will choose rectangle angle. Sorry, rectangle brackets. Okay, and run, and this list. Okay, and contain the duplicate items on, and use tuple. It's immutable and it's mutable. It's change, it is not changed. Okay, values like we changed icons, and this run, and these are tuples. Okay, it is a total 6 and 5 data types used in Python. Okay, and next topic, data type conversion. Data type conversion is a way to converting one data types into another data types, like string to integer, and integer to strings, and string to float. This is a data type conversion. Okay, these two types, implicit and explicit. Implicit is convert to data automatically, but it's explicit convert data manually. Uh, like practical. Okay, and like this, x contain 5. Okay, and y contain 7 point, and z to x plus y, and print and check it type z, and x contain integer, y contain float, and z is contain x plus y, and print z and type check. Okay, run, and this convert to float, it's convert to automatic, so it is a implicit. Okay, it is a implicit, it is convert to automatically into float, but explicit is not work automatically. It is manually like this. Mm, items. I want to use list, okay, and convert strings, and so data str and keyword use str, use variable name and print data, sorry, str, and check and check data types. Check data types, okay. This is list data type, okay. Type this string, okay. So it is a implicit because I will I want to imply this is a manually, so it is a implicit because I will use str, so it is a manually, okay. So in this concept I will, and in this concept is clear, okay. And next is keyword, keyword, okay. uh, the keyword, okay. So keyword is a reserved word, okay. Keyword is a reserved word and you cannot use them a constant and variables name, okay. It is fixed value contain, okay. Like and, asset, break, class, and etc. This is the total keyword are used, okay. And next is most important, key rules of variable, okay. These are rules. First rules must start with letter or an underscore like this, okay. So variable name started alphabets and underscores like this, alphabets like this and like this, okay. It's not contain numbers. There's a one name cannot start with a number, okay. This is major rules to be learned, okay. So in the next video, where is topic, okay.